In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a location to Instagram Reels. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram and then swipe over to the right to start creating a reel. Here, tap Add Reel, and then you can use your camera or you can upload some photo or video from your camera roll. Just hit on Add, then tap on Next, and now here, instead of tapping Add Stickers icon as you do at Stories, you have to tap right there at Next, and right here you have ability to add a location to your reel. Just tap right there where it says Add Location, and now you can select some from suggested, or you can use search to search for some specific location. I will search for Moscow City Towers, let it be that location, and then also here you can tag someone, and then once you are ready to publish this reel, just hit on Next and then hit on Share to share this reel to your followers. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.